Right, good evening, good afternoon, viewers. Last time we did factorization of trinomials where a was equal to 1. That means a, the coefficient of x squared. So now we are going to look at where a is greater than 1. So our trinomial, which is the quadratic expression, is like this. So our a, the coefficient of x squared, is greater than 1 now. So it's no longer going to be as simple as last time. Right now I'm going to look at these 4 examples, factorize completely. The first one, let me say solutions. Right, the first one is 4x squared minus 7x minus 2. Right. So we are going to have 2 methods here. The first one is just a trial and error, where you are going to try factors. Then the other one, you are going to do algebraic process. The trial and error is going to be like this. Obviously, as a quadratic expression, we are going to have 2 brackets. Right, you find factors of 4. You break 4x squared into its factors. In this bracket, yes, we can use 2x and 2x, or we can use 4x and x. So 2x this side, 2x that side. Then we try factors of minus 2. Now it means you can try here, then plus 1. Then we say it's try and error because you are going to try this. You multiply this and that so that you check if you are going to find your middle term. So in this case, 2x times 1 is going to be 2x. Then minus 2 times 2x is going to be minus 4x, which does not give us minus 7. So these factors will not work. They will not work. So let us try 4x and x. Then we switch. We can put a 1 here and then a 2 here. Then check the signs. 4x times 2 is 8x minus x, which is 7x positive. But we need a negative. So let's switch the signs. Negative there, positive there. So now let's try. 4x times minus 2 is minus 8x. Then 1 times x is plus x. And it gives you negative 7. So this is the solution to this. But this one is try and error. Right. Method 2. Method 2, you are going to multiply this 4 times minus 2. You get 8. You get minus 8. Minus 8. So now, let's just use 8. Then the factors of 8 that we are going to use so that we can break this minus 7x. Factors of 8, obviously, we are going to have 8 and 1, where we can break minus 7. Let's use 8 and 1. And we need negative 7. So that means this one is going to be minus 8. This one is going to be plus 8. So that this one is going to be equal to 4x squared. Instead of writing minus 7, you can write minus 8x plus x, then minus 2. You see this minus 7 is now minus 8x plus x. You have used these factors of 8. So now you continue from here. Equal to, you group 2, 2, like what we did before. So these two, the common factor is going to be 4x. Then you start dividing 4x squared divided by 4x, you get x. Then minus 8x divided by 4x, you get minus 2. Then plus, and obviously here, the only common factor is 1. So you write a 1 outside, then x minus 2. Right. Now you continue. There's a common factor here, x minus 2. So put x minus 2 outside, then you do that division. This side you remain with 4x, that side you remain with a 1. So you can see this method, it gives us this answer, and this answer are just the same. That is, those two methods are going to work. Right, now, let me go to solution 2. Solution 2. Solution number 2. 5x squared plus 16x plus 3. Like what we did before. The first method, method 1. Method 1 is just a trial and error. So 2 brackets. Break 5x squared is 5x. Then that size is x. Then obviously 3, the factors are 3 and 1. So you can have a 3 that side, 1 there. So check, since we have positives, that means everything is going to be positive. It's that. Right, method 2. You are going to multiply 5 times 3. Then you get 15. So you are going to break this 16 with the factors of 15. Obviously, it's 15 and 1, so that you get 16. So you are going to say this part is going to be equal to 5x squared plus 15x plus x plus 3. Right? Now, this one has been broken now. So group 2, this side, the highest common factor is 5x. Then you do the division as usual. X plus 3. Then here, obviously the highest common factor is 1. Then x plus 3. So there is the highest common factor again. X plus 3. Then you divide, you get 5x plus 1, which is the same as above. So those are the two methods that we can use to factorize the trinomials where a is greater than 1. Right, number 3. Number 3. Solution number 3. Solution number 3. Right, we have 9x squared minus 30x plus 25. So method 1 is a try and error. Obviously, we have 2 brackets. You can use 3x here, 3x here. These are the factors of 9x squared. Then of 25, they are obvious. It's 5 and 5. But then you need to check your sign here. If this one is positive, that means the 2 are negative. Because when you multiply them, they give you a positive. So that is the answer. Right, method 2. Method 2. Right, like what I've done before. multiply these two, 9 times 25. And 9 times 25 is going to give you 9 times 25, what do you get? You get 225. Right, 225. Now, find the factors of 225. Where you are going to manipulate them so that you break minus 30. If you don't know the factors, go back to your prime factorization. I will start by 3 here. I will get 7, 5. I continue with 3. I will get 25. Then by 5, I get 5. By 5, I get 1. So the factors of 225, if I check here, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 times 15. Then I must break minus 30 into minus 15x minus 15x. So 9x squared minus 15x minus 15x. Minus 15x minus 15x is minus 30x. So plus 25. So you group 2. These two, 9x squared minus 15x. The highest common factor is what? 3x. Then you pull out 3x and then you start dividing. You will get 3x here. Then divide there. You get minus 5. Then plus. You also group these two. Group these two. Highest common factor is going to be 5. So let's pull out negative 5. Yeah. Then bracket. We divide 15x divided by 5. You get 3x. Yeah. Then since we have pulled out negative here, this is going to be a negative. Then 25 divided by 5, we get 5. So now there's a common factor here. So equal to, we pull out the common factor. Then here is 3x, here is minus 5. So this answer and this, they're just the same. They're just the same. So you can use trial and error, or you can use this algebraic process. Right, the last one is this one. Let me do it here. Right, factorize completely. We have 22 we have 22x squared plus 3x minus 4. Right, method 1. Like what we've done before, trial and error. Break 22x squared. You can break this one into 22 is 11 times 2. So 11x, then 2x. Then you break minus 4 into its factors in such a way that when you expand it, you will get a plus 3 as the middle term. So you can put a 2 there, a 2 there. 11x times 2, 22. These two will not work. I've already seen them. They will not work. Maybe if you put a 4 there and a 1 there, there's 11x minus 8x. And if I multiply this, I get 11x. If I multiply this, I get minus 8x. So 11x minus 8x, I must get 3x. So that is the answer with the trial and error method. Right. With the algebraic method,